Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, let me show you. Look at this. It's rooted all the way up. Look at that. All that roots. I'm gonna plant it today. And I noticed this one ain't died. This is just a pinch of the plant. I'm gonna check it out and see if it is having any roots or is it getting worse. But I'm gonna change the water. And also I'm gonna change the water to this one. This one I put a rock so it will hold in place, and I want to see how is it working. Okay, it got roots. Now, wow, but it got roots. So I don't know how this is gonna work because the whole thing is I call it mushy. So let me see if I fix it. I'm gonna leave it like that. Let me put it there. I'm gonna throw this water out because it looks nasty. Okay, so let me do this and then I'll show you what I did. Okay, I changed the water here. It still has pellets. I put some pellets here they didn't have to see. It looks like it wants to throw out roots. So I'm going to see if it does. You know, if it does, well, everything I cut, I'm going to propagate it. And now I'm going to bury this over here. So I'll see you in a minute. So I finished with these two. I added the water, the nutrient. And now is this. Is the King Pennyroyal. Pennyroyal. Okay, this is the Pennyroyal. I took a piece from outside. I put them in water, and this is gonna be planted outside. Don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I want to put it in a place where it could grow and nobody breaks it. You know, they leave it alone. So I'm gonna see where I'm gonna put it as soon as they grow. I don't know if this stick is right, but it's going up anyway, so I let it be. I think I put this one wrong, backwards, but the roots is down, so it'll catch up and it'll start going upwards. So saying this, God bless you all until next time. Bye bye.